I'm Rick Buck, and I've been a diamond consultant for over 6 years now. In this video, we'll go over 5 tests to tell if you have a real or fake diamond, and also if it is a lab diamond or a natural diamond. The first and the most simple yet effective test is to hold the gem up to a fluorescent light. You see, a lot of real diamonds will emit a blue fluorescence when a fluorescent light is put on it. So if your gem does exhibit fluorescence, then you can be almost sure it is a real diamond right off the bat, and can almost stop there with searching other things. Because fake diamonds, to my knowledge, do not emit blue fluorescence, and neither do laboratory created diamonds. However, so if it doesn't have fluorescence, then you for sure need to keep going to narrow it down if it's a real diamond or not. The next test is the letter test. Put a diamond face down on a paper that has small lettering. If you can read the lettering, even if it's blurry, the diamond would tend to be in the fake category. Real diamonds scatter light too much for lettering to be legible through the diamond. However, the problem with this test is that your diamond needs to be loose and not set in a ring. Another test is a floating test. If the diamond ring floats even a little bit and doesn't sink, then the diamond is fake. If it does sink, then you still don't know, because a lot of fake diamonds can sink as well. This test also works better if the diamond is out of the ring. So if it's not, this is probably useless. And it doesn't rule out lab diamonds, because lab diamonds will also sink to the bottom just like real diamonds, so it doesn't rule out lab diamonds. This next one is one of my favorite tests, and it's the fog test. Try to fog up the diamond with your breath, like how you would do maybe as a child on a car window, and fog it up with your breath. With a real diamond, the fog will dissipate almost right away, or at least within a second or two. With most fake diamonds, the fog will linger for a little bit, as it would on a car window.
Cubic zirconia, moissanite, diamonds.
Here's the hot and cold test. It's a bold test, because here you heat up the diamond a lot. And if it is a fake diamond, it may start to crack, especially if you take that heated up diamond and immediately throw it in ice cold water. A real diamond will not shatter at all, though if it is a real diamond, you may have to clean it off after you apply the heat. The certificate test. In my experience, the #1 way to test if a diamond is real is to ask for a diamond certificate report that came with the diamond. Most diamonds in the engagement ring world were certified by a grading lab, which means it already has been tested by professional equipment to see if it's fake. For example, when I bought my wife's ring, it came with a diamond report, and I gave that report to my wife the day after I got engaged. As a test, ask the person who gave you the diamond for the report. If the person does not have it, that is immediately suspicious, especially if the purchase was recent, because everyone receives that report if they have a certified diamond. Now, if you want an excuse to ask for the diamond report from them, you can tell them you want to get maintenance on the diamond and you need the report to keep track of your diamond, and so does the jeweler need it. So now let's say they still don't have it. So then ask them where they got the diamond, and you will go to that retailer and get a copy of the certificate. If they give you an excuse as to why not, then it is very, very suspicious that this is a real diamond. Well, if you can't get the report from the retailer or the person that bought the diamond, and you still think that it could be a real diamond, in that case, for a lot of diamonds, there is a laser inscription of a number on this part of the diamond called the girdle. And that number corresponds to a diamond certificate. And you can look up that online too, and you can see the certificate to that diamond and its corresponding number. The point of all this is that the mere presence of a diamond certificate likely confirms it is real. If they give you a diamond certificate and you think this is suspicious and that the certificate is fake, there are some things you could do to see if it matches the actual diamond that you have. Take that diamond certificate and match it up to what you know. For example, the certificate will give you a map of flaws you can only see with magnification unique to your diamond. You can then use the magnification to see if the flaws match up or take it to a jeweler to see if the flaws from the certificate that was given to you match the diamond that you have. And then if the diamond happens to be loose or you want to be really thorough, you can go to a jeweler and they can loosen the diamond. And then what you do is you just weigh the diamond in grams and then you multiply it by 5, and that should give you the same carat on the lab certificate, or something very close, because a lot of scales may not be as precise as the scale that was used to weigh that diamond. Or another thing that you can do is it will tell you if the diamond on that certificate is supposed to have fluorescence. It says it's supposed to have fluorescence and then it doesn't, then someone's lying and something is probably fake. This way is also the best way to tell if it's a lab diamond, because on the certificate it will tell you if it was made in the lab, and they likely discovered that with tons of expensive equipment. There also are many other tests, but most of these aren't practical, they require special equipment, or they don't really tell you much at all. So if you really want to know for sure, you need to take the diamond to a jeweler who has the equipment to let you know for sure if you have a real or fake diamond. Make sure you watch all my proposal tips and idea videos now if you want to plan the perfect proposal. Also watch one of my many how to shop for engagement rings and diamonds videos. Or mark my words, they know how to rip you off. The best places to buy diamonds are in the description below to save hundreds to thousands on engagement rings, and they are very reputable. Like, subscribe, and watch another one now.